So in previous session we have learned left and right. Show me your right hand. Wave your right hand. Yes. Snap your left hand. Right? So we have learned right and left. Hope you have practiced this one in your textbook, children. So in this session we will go to the next topic, which is page number 14. Concept is same, children, left and right. But the activity we have to do here is different. Let us see what he gave in this one. So children, page number 14. So what we have to do here, you can see the picture here. A girl is holding two flowers. Let's read. Color the flower to the left of Anu orange. What is this girl's name? Anu. And to the right of Anu blue. What is he asking? Color the flower to the left of Anu orange. Left of Anu means this is Anu's left hand and this is Anu's right hand. Right hand, left hand. R stands for right, L stands for left. Okay. Now which color we have to color on the right side? Which is blue color. Now let's take blue color. So this blue color I am going to take, children, sky blue. Okay. Let's color. Carefully while you are coloring the edges. Either from top to bottom or else from right to left. Okay. So the next petal I am going to color. So in previous session you have learned how to color, right? The same way, while you are coloring the edges, be careful. First color it lightly and then if it turns good, then try to color it darker. Okay? So it's turning beautiful now. You can see I am doing from top to bottom. Here I have colored right to left. Here I did top to bottom. Only like that I am coloring. Either from top to bottom or left to right. See how carefully I am coloring here. Now the next one. First I am tracing the edges and then I am coloring it. I am only coloring either top to bottom or from right to left or left to right. So we finished coloring blue on the right side. So next he is asking left of Anu orange. We have to color left of Anu is orange. Now you know this is orange color, right? The same way you have to color, children. Slowly. Can you give me any example of orange color? There is a fruit with the same name, orange. You like, right? So carefully you have to color, slowly. You can see I am not coloring outside. I am being very careful so that it's not coming outside. according to your convenience, children, either from top to bottom or left to right. So we have colored blue on the right side and we are coloring orange on the left side of Anu. The girl name is Anu here. Some of your name is also Anu, I think, right? You might feeling happy listening the name. So children, I finished coloring. So we did color the flower to the left of Anu orange. So we colored orange on the left and to the right of Anu blue. So on the right side we have colored blue. Let's see the next task. Color the shirt to the left of you red. Left of you have to color red. To the right of you green. Okay, to the right of you have to color green and the middle one blue. So if you see like this, children, this will be your right side and this will be your left side. Okay, because the book is facing you. Okay, you have to take example as your right hand and left hand. This is your right side and this will be your left side and this shirt is in middle. Now on the right side, which color we have to do? Right of you green color. So this is right shirt. Okay, this one is left side of your side. This one is in middle. So I am writing M for middle. Now let's color. Left of you red. Here we have to color red. You all know the color red. This is red color. Let's color the shirt here. The whole shirt you have to color red. How many of you have red shirts? So many of you have, I think, right? Examples of red: tomato, cherries. You are eating every day, right? The tomatoes. It gives you a lot of strength.
Apple.
Apple, right. An apple keeps a doctor away. Every day if you eat one apple, you will be very healthy. An apple keeps a doctor away. So children, I finished coloring red on my left side. Now next one, to the right of you green color. Any green, dark green or light green, because he didn't mention particular color, right? So which one you want me to take? Darker one or light one? Let's take dark color. Okay. Now right side, this is my right side. So I am going to color green here. I have taken dark green, children. You all have plants in your home, right? The color of plants is green, of course. Some of you have green shirts, green skirts, frocks, right? So see, I am carefully coloring this one. So I finished coloring green on my right side. Next, which is left? Middle. And the middle one you have to color blue. So as we have colored dark blue here, let's take light blue here. Okay? I'm going to color light blue here. Our school uniform color, do you remember? Blue, right? See children, I'm tracing like this, I'm coloring like this. Only one way you have to use. If you are coloring from sides, just follow that one only. If you are coloring from top to bottom, just follow the, you have to color everything from top to bottom only. Okay. So children, you can see how beautiful this page have turned into. Beautiful flowers like you, right? So in the next session, we will learn another topic. Okay. Thank you.